Have you ever felt too tired to work out, but also frustrated because you know your body needs movement? Maybe you've been sitting all day. Maybe your energy feels low. Maybe intense workouts just feel overwhelming right now. And instead of moving, you avoid it completely. If that's you, this workout is for you. Today we're doing a gentle, beginner-friendly 10-minute workout. No equipment, no jumping, and no pressure. Just simple movements to wake up your body, improve circulation, and help you feel lighter and more energized. Welcome to the Radiant Wellness Hub, your go-to space for holistic health, fitness, and self-care inspiration. Let's begin. We will look at 5 different movements. Each movement should at least take 2 minutes. But remember to move at your own pace. If something feels uncomfortable, pause. This is about caring for your body, not punishing it. The first movement is gentle march in a place. Start by standing tall. Then, feet hip-width apart and relax your shoulders. Begin marching softly in place. Lift one knee, then the other. Do this slowly but steadily. Then you can swing your arms naturally. This movement gently increases your heart rate without stressing your joints. It improves circulation, which means you will have more oxygen flowing through your body. When circulation improves, your brain gets more oxygen, hence better focus. Your muscles warm up, hence less stiffness. And your energy levels begin to rise naturally. If you've been sitting most of the day, this helps wake your body up safely. Keep breathing slowly. The second movement is doing arm circles and shoulder release. Now keep your feet grounded. Then, extend your arms out to the sides and make small circles forward. Ensure to keep them controlled. This movement releases tension stored in the shoulders and upper back, especially if you work on a desktop, a laptop, or phone. It improves shoulder mobility, reduces stiffness, and supports better posture. After every 30 seconds, slowly reverse the circles to move the opposite direction. As you do this, feel the stretch across your chest. Poor posture compresses your lungs, and this helps open the chest so you can breathe more deeply. Deep breathing alone can lower stress hormones in the body. The third movement is doing gentle side stretch. First, stand tall. Raise your right arm over your head, then gently lean to the left. Don't force it, just reach where your body possibly allows. Do this for 1 minute, then switch sides by raising your left arm over your head and then gently lean on the right. This stretch lengthens the side body, including muscles around your ribs and waist. It improves flexibility, supports better breathing, relieves tension from sitting. Stretching the side body also stimulates your lymphatic system, which supports detoxification and immune health. Gentle movement like this reduces inflammation over time. The fourth movement is doing slow body weight squats. Begin by putting your feet to be slightly wider than hips. Slowly bend your knees and sit back like you're sitting in a chair. Go down gently, then come up slowly. Do this without rushing. Squats are powerful, even when done gently. They strengthen your legs and glutes, support joint stability, and improve balance. Strong leg muscles help protect your knees and lower back. They also boost metabolism because your lower body muscles are some of the largest in your body. If full squats feel hard, make them smaller. Choose progress over perfection. Keep breathing. The final movement is doing a standing forward fold. First, stand tall. Slowly hinge at your hips and fold forward. Let your arms hang and then bend your knees slightly if needed. This stretch relieves lower back tension, improves hamstring flexibility, and encourages blood flow toward the head. That fresh blood flow can help reduce mental fog and improve clarity. Take slow breaths here. Let your neck relax. Slowly roll back up, one vertebra at a time. Finally, cool down by doing deep breathing. Stand comfortably. Place one hand on your chest and another hand on your stomach. Inhale deeply through your nose, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Movement doesn't need to be extreme to be effective. Even 10 gentle minutes of movement can improve your mood, reduce stress, increase body energy, and support long-term health. Consistency matters more than intensity. If you felt low energy before this workout, notice how you feel now. Maybe slightly warmer, maybe a little clearer, or maybe just proud that you showed up. This matters too. You don't need to jump. You don't need equipment. You don't need to be fit to start. You just need to begin gently. If this helped you, comment "gentle" below so I know you're here. And subscribe for more simple wellness routines that fit into real life. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.